Hi, I'm Ryan. Welcome to Spec Fab. I'm one of the project managers here at the company, and today we'd like to take you and give you a tour of our shop. Meet some of the people and see some of the cool projects that we have going on. We're here at the incoming material aisle. This is where the material is stored until it gets distributed to the next stages of fabrication. We work in such materials as stainless, carbon steel, aluminum, and a few specialty materials on occasion. But primarily we'll get our parts from a flat cut laser, tube laser, or we will shear and cut the parts in-house. It's staged here, and then it moves on to the next stages of fabrication. Here we are at the press brake area. We have two fellows work back here, Justin and Rob. We make some pretty complicated parts. This part has many bends in it. It's a very tight tolerance part. These presses are 175-ton machines, 10 foot long. We do a lot of forming here. We'd be happy to work on your project next. We're in the welding area right now. Have Matt and Dylan. They're both doing MIG welding. We also do some TIG welding here in the shop. We weld materials such as stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum. We'll do one of something or hundreds of pieces. We're looking forward to getting your project in the door. I like to call this the fire zone. If you need a hot part, we can create those parts for you quickly. We have the iron worker, the shear, we can get the plate cut down, punch a hole in, do whatever you need, and get your line back up and running. If you're in a hurry for a part, give us a call. We're here in the quality inspection room. Today I'm here with Zach. Zach's been with the company about 17 years, and Zach is our quality manager. Zach is doing a first article inspection. After the first article inspection is done, we will check 10% of any additional parts that come through. We put a lot of effort into our quality program. We want to make sure that everything leaves here as perfect as it can be, so that our customers get the parts that they ordered. We're now going to go down and check out our large fabrication area. Here we have Owen. Owen is working on some parts for in the agricultural industry. Here we have Colt. Colt is working on this all aluminum 12-foot flatbed. Over here we have Titus. Titus is working on platforms for in the truck outfitting industry. We do quite a bit of large weldments here. We have two 5-ton overhead cranes to help maneuver those weldments around. Aluminum, steel, doesn't really matter. Also in the background, we have two robotic welding cells. Today, Aaron is working on programming a new project that we got coming in. If you have a lot of welding in-house and you're unsure if it needs to be done manually or robotically, please give us a call and talk to one of our experts to see if this job would be a good fit for our machines. Here we are at our shipping and receiving area. Francesca's been with the company about 2 years. She will take measurements of the skid, make sure that it is properly shrink wrapped, do a final parts count, and also take pictures to assure us that when you get your product, it's as it should be. You've seen our shop, you've met some of our team members, and I'm sure you've seen some of the ways that Spec Fab can help your business. Thanks for watching.